Hey guys, it's day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway. Today we're giving away a full set of dividers and a full set of tray lids. And these are all compatible with each other, so you can use both together. You can divide up your portions, and then you can store it with your lids, and then stack them on top of each other. And whoever wins our prize today, we'll make sure that we get you set up with the right size, so we'll reach out to you. But let's get into this. Let's see who the winner is today. Teresa Merton from Bristolville, Ohio. Teresa, congratulations. You're going to get a whole tray lid set up. You're going to get a whole set of dividers for your trays. So we'll reach out to you and make sure that you get that right size. Don't miss the rest of the days up until Christmas. We're going to do a whole setup tomorrow. We're going to do the Avid Armor giveaway for the chamber vac sealer the day before Christmas. And then Christmas Day is that big prize drawing of the medium freeze dryer with a Premier pump. We'll see you then. Thanks for playing, guys.